Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have the extension installed and pinned. Now start by opening the site you'll manage cookies for. Once the page loads, click the cookie icon in the toolbar and choose Open Panel so you see current cookies. You'll see cookie names, domains, and expiry dates. Use this to decide what to keep. Make sure to toggle both Allow and Block options as needed. This first step sets up a clear baseline before you change anything. Once done with the basics, dive into filtering and editing. Click the filter field and type a domain or cookie name to narrow results. You can edit a cookie's value, modify expiry to a future date, or delete unwanted cookies. Make small changes and reload to test effects. Use grouping, analytics versus preferences versus advertising to keep actions targeted. Also toggle secure and HTTP only flags if you understand. To finish, save your edits and reload the site to confirm behavior. If cookies control login or personalization, verify those features work. If you're testing, use temporary or session-only settings so you can revert easily. Make sure to document any manual cookie values you set. If things go wrong, clear browser cache and cookies for that domain, then retry. If persistence fails, disable other extensions that might override cookie policies and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.